Here's 4 weeks to the date. Everybody's eating food, working on getting weaned, trying to get the potty out the front door and into the grass. Bladders are still small, but everybody's doing good.
So we do things slightly different than the pick your puppy out of a picture. We try to match the puppy's personalities with the buyers and what they want. So we do telephone interviews to figure out what the buyer is after in terms of temperament and drive, etc. And then watch the puppies obviously every day, keep a chart of how the puppies interact with us and with each other, etc. So we can try to place the best puppy with the best owner. Now we're at 4 weeks. Personalities are really starting to come out. They really start to get running around, fighting, more, seeing the prey drive in a couple of them. So we've got to just give them enough time that we can figure out who's who to match them up. So great patience on behalf of our buyers, of course, but this does help place puppies better so everybody's happy in the end. And of course, this is just a glimpse into their daily lives, so can't quite gauge what we see in terms of personality against what you're seeing in this video, as the one puppy who's tired and sleepy might not generally act like that.
I did, yep. Oh my. Here's the two fighters. Got your tongue. I see his pretty teeth coming in. You guys are late. You guys are late. What? Huh.